You need to hear this if you're a parent who wants to make learning fun for your kids. If you think science is tricky but your kids love to explore, then hands-on experiments are the answer. Science can be like magic for kids when they get hands-on. Imagine mixing baking soda and vinegar to create a fizzing volcano. Suddenly, chemistry isn't just a word in a book. It's an exciting reaction right in front of them. When kids see, touch, and do, abstract concepts become clear. They learn by doing, not just listening. Building a mini rocket? That's physics in action. Watching plants grow from seeds? That's biology right in your garden. Hands-on experiments make science fun and memorable. They spark curiosity and keep kids engaged. Plus, it's a fantastic way to spend quality time together. So grab those lab coats and start experimenting. Your little scientists are ready to discover the world. Remember, when kids do science, they learn science. Happy experimenting! Don't forget to follow our page and channel for more inspiring videos.